Let's face it, dragging garden mud into the kitchen is a recipe for a headache. The secret to a cleaner home and a more efficient harvest is bringing the water to the work. Whether you're dealing with a small balcony or a sprawling homestead, these 10 practical DIY sink ideas are designed to save you time and money. Using clever hacks like hardware cloth tabletops for instant drainage or castors for easy storage, you can build a heavy-duty station on a budget. These projects prove you don't need a huge investment to streamline your chores, rinse your produce, and keep the dirt right where it belongs, in the garden. Number 10. A movable garden sink with castors project idea. If you have a garden with limited space, a movable sink on castors is an excellent option. The castors let you roll the sink away for storage in the garage or shed when it's not in use. This movable garden sink is simple to make and easy to adapt to your needs. Sink size depends on your preference. Prepare wooden boards, plywood, a fiberglass or plastic laundry sink, a single-hole hose bib, faucet, a P-trap, elbow and drain pipe, and castors. If you have leftover materials, use them to avoid buying everything new. Begin by building the tabletop and cutting the sink-shaped hole in the plywood. Cut the legs to the proper height and assemble a square shelf frame. Attach each leg to the underside of the tabletop and insert the castors. Turn the table upright down, secure the shelf to the top edges, then insert the sink and connect the P-trap, faucet, and sink drain. Test all connections for leaks and seal wood around the sink to protect it from moisture. Number 9. Upcycle an old oil drum. Project idea. Upcycling an unused oil drum is a creative way to beautify your garden while reducing waste. You'll need an old oil drum, pipes, a stainless steel single bowl sink, and a faucet. Clean all parts thoroughly, assemble the sink unit on or inside the drum, secure the plumbing, and paint the drum to suit your garden, green or any color you prefer. 8. A garden potting bench with sink. Project idea. If you want a more functional piece of garden furniture, a potting bench with an integrated sink gives you both a workspace and a wash station. Start by creating the bottom frame, then build the countertop and cut the sink opening. Attach the countertop to the legs and frame, drill pocket holes where needed, and dry fit the sink to check placement. Attach the shelf posts, center post, and any supports for tool or mower storage. Add the top shelf afterward. Install the faucet and drainage, secure all plumbing, and finish by staining or painting. Add decorative elements if you like, and be sure to seal wood near the sink to protect against moisture. 7. A multi-purpose garden wash station on a budget. Save yourself the cleanup time by building a heavy-duty station that handles the mess right at the source. Built using pressure-treated lumber, hardware cloth, and a repurposed sink, this rugged table streamlines everything from rinsing veggies and potting seedlings to curing harvests and arranging farm stand bouquets. The clever hardware cloth tabletop allows dirt and water to fall right through, keeping your workspace clean. By integrating a Y-shaped drainage tube, you can even funnel gray water directly into your watering can to hydrate nearby plants. It's a simple, cost-effective project that saves time and keeps the mess outdoors where it belongs, leaving you more time to enjoy your sunny garden space. Number 6. The Cedar and Copper Garden Station idea. Stop dragging the mud inside and start enjoying a station that looks as good as the garden it serves. Crafted by Eric Dubnicka artist, this outdoor sink transforms a basic utility into functional art. The design pairs a rugged, deep well basin with a stunning cedar backsplash and hand-brushed plywood for a rich, textured finish. What sets this apart is the organic detail, using natural branches for shelving and sleek half-inch copper pipe for a floating firewood rack. It's a clever blend of heavy-duty storage and high-end aesthetics. Whether you're scrubbing garden tools or rinsing a fresh harvest, this station keeps the mess outdoors while adding a sophisticated handcrafted soul to your backyard workspace. Number 5. Dropleaf Outdoor Sink Project idea. This outdoor sink pairs clever design with practical features. It rolls on wheels for easy repositioning around the garden, and Dropleaf countertops provide extra workspace where you need them, then fold away to save space thanks to added hinges. A pump draws clean water from a tote to the faucet while you work. Used water drains back into the tote for reuse or, if too dirty, can be diverted to water plants. The result is a portable, space-saving, water-efficient sink ideal for small or flexible garden setups. Number 4. Wooden log and basin, outdoor sink idea. For a rustic, one-of-a-kind look, build a sink using a hollowed log paired with a basin. Prepare the trunk where the basin will sit, insert the drain tube through the log, and mount the faucet to a nearby fence or post. Check connections, tuck in decorative pine swags for a natural touch, and finish with paint or stain in your preferred color. Simple, rustic, and striking. 3. The curbside transformation, from roadside junk to garden gem. Forget buying a pre-made plastic unit. You can build a heavy-duty station with real soul using salvage treasures. Start with a statement piece like a vintage claw tub faucet and build your way up. By pairing a curbside countertop with a sturdy 4x4 frame wrapped in cedar fence panels, you create a rugged, one-of-a-kind workspace. It's the fancy way to streamline chores, from rinsing muddy tools to cleaning fresh produce right at the source. There's something so satisfying about taking a heap of reclaimed materials and, with just a bit of elbow grease, making a cost-effective wash station that keeps the mess outdoors where it belongs. 2. From garden sink to beer sink all in one spot. Instead of settling for light-duty commercial units, you can develop a custom fabricated bar station that leverages the structural integrity of reclaimed steel and timber. Start by prepping your reclaimed laundry sink, now your high-capacity ice chest, then fabricate a custom chassis. By repurposing steel roller door channels into a frame and cladding it with planed packing crate timber, you create a high-tolerance, one-of-a-kind workspace. Integrating stainless steel hinges and a recessed lid allow you to streamline messy chores or keep drinks at optimal serving temperatures. Finish by reinforcing the load-bearing joints and applying a precision triple-coat varnish, a technical transformation that turns industrial scrap into a high-functioning outdoor asset designed to keep the party flowing and the mess where it belongs. Lastly, number 1. Turn an old wine barrel into a stylish, functional outdoor sink that suits almost any garden. Start by cleaning and repainting the barrel in a color you like, then cut and reinforce an opening in the top to fit your basin. Install the sink and faucet on the top, connect the drain and P-trap, and ensure the drain flows freely into a suitable outlet or collection tote. Finish any sealing or edging around the sink and test all plumbing for leaks. Simple, rustic, and highly customizable, this project gives you a standout garden feature with minimal cost. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.